If you are a fan of juicy, fresh, and flavorful tomatoes, then you must be familiar with the frustration of growing a bumper crop of sickly and disappointing fruits. But worry not! With a little bit of planning, care, and some scientifically proven tips, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of beautiful, healthy, and juicy tomatoes. Here are the top 10 tips for growing tomatoes that will make your neighbors envious. Choose the right variety. There are countless tomato varieties available in the market, each with its own unique flavor, texture, and growing conditions. Therefore, it is essential to choose the right variety that suits your climate, soil, and personal preference. For instance, if you live in a hot and humid region, you might want to go for heat-resistant and disease-resistant varieties, such as Roma or Celebrity. Start with healthy seeds or seedlings. The quality of your tomato crop depends significantly on the quality of the seeds or seedlings you use. Therefore, always choose high-quality, disease-free, and non-GMO seeds or seedlings from a reputable source. You can also start your seeds indoors to give them a head start and better control over their growing conditions. Prepare the soil properly. Tomatoes thrive in loose, well-draining, and nutrient-rich soil. Therefore, prepare your soil by adding organic matter, such as compost or aged manure, to improve its texture, fertility, and water retention capacity. Also, make sure the soil pH is between 6.0 and 7.0, as tomatoes prefer slightly acidic soil. Water deeply and regularly. Tomatoes need consistent moisture to develop strong roots and juicy fruits. Therefore, water them deeply and regularly, especially during the hot and dry spells. However, avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot and other diseases. Mulch your plants. Mulching is an effective way to retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Therefore, add a layer of organic mulch, such as straw, leaves, or grass clippings, around your tomato plants, leaving some space around the stems to prevent fungal diseases. Fertilize adequately. Tomatoes are heavy feeders and require regular fertilization to produce healthy and abundant fruits. Therefore, use a balanced fertilizer, such as October 10, and apply it every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. You can also use organic fertilizers, such as fish emulsion or bone meal, for a more sustainable option. Prune your plants. Pruning your tomato plants helps improve air circulation, reduce the risk of diseases, and direct more nutrients to the developing fruits. Therefore, remove the suckers, which are the small shoots that grow between the main stem and the branches, as they take away energy from the plant. Support your plants. Tomatoes need support to grow upright and prevent their stems from breaking under the weight of the fruits. Therefore, use cages, stakes, or trellises to support your plants, and tie them gently with soft ties to avoid damaging the stems. Companion your plants. Companion planting is a technique where you grow different plants together to benefit each other. Tomatoes have several companion plants, such as basil, marigold, and garlic, that can repel pests, attract pollinators, and improve soil health. Therefore, plant them together and enjoy the synergistic benefits. Harvest at the right time. Harvesting your tomatoes at the right time ensures maximum flavor, juiciness, and nutrition. Therefore, wait until the fruits are fully ripe, firm, and brightly colored before harvesting them. You can also do a wiggle test to check if the fruits